This is Tyler Gervasi with Denison Yachting. Today we're here in Oxnard, California on board AANDEEL, a spectacular 1996 Goetz-Derecktor 70-foot sailing yacht, represented by Jean-Marie Cabri in the Marina del Rey office. Designed by renowned builders Sparkman Stephens, she was originally a race boat based in Rhode Island and run throughout the East Coast and the Caribbean. AANDEEL is built entirely in carbon construction, making her incredibly light, fast, and true to her racing pedigree. Upon entry to the deck, notice the helm stations are separated from the cockpit area to keep the workspace and lounge space separate. A carbon fiber mast, furling boom, an extremely fast filling ballast system, as well as under-deck lines make this boat incredibly easy to sail even for the solo captain. A complete interior renovation was done recently, sparing no expense on minimalist modern styling and accentuated by the exposed carbon weave in the flooring. Entering the salon, you're greeted by mirrored L-shaped settees, one with a dining table and the other facing an entertainment system with an integrated desk space. Moving forward from the salon and down a couple steps, the galley is to port, with all appliances concealed in white styling and a wooden backsplash behind the stovetop that doubles as additional storage. The full bath day head is to starboard. The first guest cabin has day head access, and beside it to port is the reading nook library space with stowable over-under berths. All the way forward is the owner cabin with ensuite head and shower. AANDEEL is equipped with a Yanmar 110 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, a 400 kilowatt generator with additional 20 kilowatt hour lithium batteries, and an 18 gallon per hour water maker. Thank you for joining me today on board this one-of-a-kind sailing masterpiece. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a private showing, don't hesitate to contact Jean-Marie Cabri with the Denison Marina del Rey office.